What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are going to take a look at the Bitcoin price on the 1 hourly. Okay, we did clearly see a fake out here from this symmetrical triangle. There was no volume at all. We started to see some bearish divergence on the 1 hourly, so we were cautious on this on yesterday's live stream. Now, the 34,000 needs to hold nicely, as you can see. If not, we are going to come down to these major levels. This can be a great trading opportunity. Are we going to come back up? We're going to discuss this today, guys. Also, Ethereum, we did manage to break out from this resistance line, but with hardly any volume. Also, RSI on the 1 hourly making bearish divergence. We're going to discuss what different levels need to hold, where we're going to break, trading opportunities. So make sure to stay tuned in this episode. And if you are interested in trading, check out the PrimeXbt trading platform. Okay, this is my favorite day trading platform. If you use my link in the description, and Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. My favorite swing trading platform because of the fees. They are slightly cheaper to have a nice swing trade open. It's Bybit. If you use my link in the description, you're getting $600 of bonus. Okay, up to $600, guys. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to Bitcoinsensus. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Here I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. Make sure to smash up the like button. Let's try and get to 300 likes today, guys. Thank you very much. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Let's go straight into the video. All right, zooming in here on the 1 hourly chart, we're going to talk about the bullish, the bearish scenario, guys. So let's zoom in here on the chart. Okay, we can clearly see that we were talking about this major resistance from this trend line, okay, on the 1 hourly from this kind of symmetrical. It's not totally symmetrical, but we can clearly see a downtrend here from these lower highs and higher lows. So yeah, we are currently at the very end of the apex. So there is going to be a decision point here to what direction we are going to go. Yesterday in the live stream, we were talking about this being a potential fake out. You know, we were just coming above this area. It was also major resistance. This is the $35,200 range, and if you fizzle out like this, you know, yeah guys, we're going to need to be really cautious. You want to see a nice clear breakout momentum, nice volume. We didn't see any of that, so yeah, we were really cautious. No trades here. Now we came straight back in. As you can see here on the 1 hourly chart, the $34,000, we've been talking about this level here for the last few days. It is a major level. We can see the support range from this head and shoulder formation. We did touch it several times here on the 1 hourly. Okay, we finally broke below it, and then it was major resistance. So this is a major level. This is the $34,000. We are currently getting a bounce from it right now. So this level needs to hold. This is the $34,000. If I zoom out, we can clearly see that we are getting supported also from the trend line of these higher lows. So guys, if we lose this level, okay, with a little bit of volume, you know, if we do see some volume and start breaking out from here, this is a potential trade all the way down to the $32,700 range, which is our next major support level. As you can see right over here, the 32,700 has been major support right over there. 32,600 major support right over here. It's been resistance. It's been support back here. So yeah, if we do lose this level, I think a retest for a potential double bottom, okay, maybe we're going to go lower, but this is actually a very good trade all the way down here of over, yeah, it is over $1,300 move. So this is a very good trading opportunity if we break down with some major volume. This is a clear support level there. If we lose, there is going to be some momentum to the downside, okay, if we do so with volume. Now, that is the bearish case scenario in the short term. Let's take a look at the bullish. Well, pretty simple for the bullish. We need to start to breaking again this fake out that we've done over here. So if we manage to break above this area, this is the $35,200, okay. If we manage to break with some volume, eventually we would have to break this high, which is almost at the $36,000. If we do break this high, then I do see a retest of the fifth wave that we were talking about here for the last couple of days, which is the $36,000 $500 region. Okay, a lot of resistance. It is going to be very hard. You know, breaking down is easier in this case because zooming out, guys, we are in a downtrend. So it is very difficult for the bulls, but I do have some hope. The chart doesn't look that bad. I do think that we might be getting some strength here. If we lose $34,000, guys, expect $32,700 for a potential scalp here. So yeah, this is what I got for Bitcoin in the short term. You know, if we take a look at the chart of the accumulation schematic, it is, you know, days away to confirm if we are still going to continue up. If we start breaking support levels, then the accumulation schematic is not going to be looking very, very good. So also another potential formation here is a very choppy head and shoulder formation potentially. We do have a resistance from the triangle right over here. So yeah, we might get resistance here, and as you can see, we might be forming like a head and shoulder, okay? As you can see right over here. If we do manage to pump and not break the $34,800 range where we have this resistance from the trend line, as you can see, we broke up, we got supported. Then if we come back down, it is going to be resistance. If we come down here, then yeah, it is going to be looking like a head and shoulder, not the most beautiful, but yeah, the measured move from the breakout of the neckline is getting, you know, the top of the head to the neckline, and approximately, all depending where we're going to break out from the neckline, this actually does take us to this next major support range. So this is something to pay attention, guys. A very, very you know, very tradable scalp here from this head and shoulder potential formation. All right, so yeah, this is what I got for Bitcoin. Bearish scenario is this one, and the bullish one, yeah, we need to start breaking this fake out over here, which is just below the $36,000 for another leg up to 36,600. Okay, guys, this is the bullish scenario. I don't think by tomorrow we'll be breaking this level or breaking this support range. So this is the scenario in the short term. Let's take a look at Ethereum, because Ethereum, we were talking, you know, about this, you know, really beautiful round formation right over here, kind of double bottom, cup and handle, breaking out this major resistance, but no volume. You know, RSI at the overbought territory on the 1 hourly, indicating bearish divergence. Very, very cautious here. The ideal, let's talk about the bullish scenario. The ideal scenario here for Ethereum is eventually breaking the high here, which is the $2,380 range. Okay, breaking this high right now. If we break this high over here, the $2,380, which has been the potential fake out, I do see a nice leg up here on Ethereum coming to the $2,600 range. That is our next major resistance point. I do see clear up and down. So yeah, there's not too much resistance. I think we should be breaking all the way up there pretty easily. And eventually it is this measured move pattern from this cup and handle formation. Potentially we are going to hit this level, which is the next major resistance point here, $2,600 for Ethereum. It is going to be very, very hard to break this range. Now, if we take a look here, let's zoom in a little bit here on the price of Ethereum, because we can also see that this level over here, which is the $2,260 range, where we have most of the touches here on the price of Ethereum. We've exactly touched here as support. Once we broke down, we've exactly touched it as resistance. Right over here, right over here. We didn't manage to touch it there, but yes, we touched it here. And now we are currently getting supported from this range. So the bearish case scenario would be breaking from here, and we did have a trend line from this major support range. Let me just get this trend line. Remember, guys, we did get this low, this higher low, and then if we took a trend line all the way like this, then we can clearly see that we were getting, you know, supported right over here. We broke down, we were getting rejected, we broke up, got supported, then broke back down. But we've just gone up and down from it and getting support and resistance. That it's not too reliable. Let's get this out of the way. And we can see this low, with this low, we can get a trend line here like this. So I think, you know, if we do break down from this level, that this trend line should hold from these higher lows. Okay, it's very, very probable. We can also discuss that this is an impulse. We've got the low and the high, so all of this is an impulse, as you can clearly see. And if we get the Fibonacci extension from all the way, sorry, the Fibonacci retracement from this low to this high, you know, it does make sense that we might probably see a 50% or 62 golden pocket correction getting supported from the trend line to potentially get a bounce and continue to the upside. If this trend line does lose right over here, which is at the $2,200 range, I do see us coming having a leg down to this next major support, guys. It is very, very probable if we start losing the momentum of the uptrend. Okay, so yeah, this is a little bit of the technical analysis that I got here for Ethereum, the bullish and the bearish case scenario, guys. And this is going to be it for today's episode. I'm pretty sure that I'll be doing a live stream afterwards. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, click the notification bell. I think it's going to be around about 5-6 o'clock Central European time. So yeah, make sure to join us. We'll be taking a look at the potential scenarios and also your favorite cryptocurrency. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoinsensus website, check it out, guys. We've got all sorts here. We've got price predictions, we've got the latest news and technical analysis, exchange reviews, where you can see where the best bonuses and the best fees available here on all these different exchanges. And if you haven't seen my Bybit or PrimeXbt tutorial to learn how to trade on those leverage trading platforms, make sure to check it out. Video popping up on the screen. Thank you for tuning in, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.